Hey guys, it's Jenna G. Welcome back to my kitchen. If you have extra Julie mango or any kind of mango on hand, especially Julie mango though, you guys want to keep watching this video because we are going to be making a spiced mango bread. So once mango is in season, we go absolutely crazy here in Trinidad and Tobago, especially for me. Once I get my hands on mango, is most times chow that I am making. But I decided to do something a little bit different, add in some spice, some flour, and similar to my banana nut bread that I would have done in the past, I'm going to be making a spiced mango bread. So let's get started. So let's talk about the ingredients that we'll need for this spiced mango bread. I'm using all-purpose flour, Julie mango, ripe Julie mango. Vanilla essence is going in there. A large egg. Going to be using some nutmeg, baking soda, baking powder, and salt. Some ground cinnamon, brown sugar, and I'm going to be using some avocado oil. So first thing I'm going to be doing, of course, is peeling the mangoes. So make sure they're nice and ripe, nice and large. And you're just going to peel that skin off of them. Now this is one of those recipes, the more mangoes that you use, the more mango flavor that you have, and you can also adjust the spice. Use as much spice as you want. Remember, it's a spiced mango bread. So once we have all the mangoes peeled, I'm going to be slicing them up and trying to remove as much flesh as possible. So by the time you finish, you should have just only the seed, bare seed remaining. Then I'm going to be using a fork or potato masher, like I eventually did, to mash it all up. So this dish or recipe or bread is actually quite similar to the banana nut bread that I would have done. So we're going to be using that fruit. In this case, it is the mangoes, and we're just going to be mashing it up until it's nice and smooth. Now, you can have chunks in it, it's all up to you depending on if you want to buy chunks when you get into your mango bread, that's totally fine as well. So once that's done, we're just going to set that aside. And in a bowl, I'm going to be combining all the dry ingredients. So the flour, sugar, the spices, so baking soda, baking powder, and the salt. I'm just going to mix this up nicely. Now this is usually important to make sure that all the dry ingredients are nicely incorporated throughout everything. Next, in goes the mangoes. We're going to be adding the vanilla essence, the egg, and the oil. And we're just going to be mixing it up until you have a nice consistency. It should not be stiff at all. So the consistency should be nice and not very flowy, but should be able to fall off the fork or the spoon nicely. Next, we're going to be adding this to a greased bread pan. So once we have that added, I'm going to be just topping it off with some nuts. You can have fun with it, top it off with whatever you want to top it off with. And then into the oven it goes. After 45 minutes, this is what it looks like. Now, pay attention to the cracks that you see there. That tends to happen whenever you're baking and your heat is too much or the pan is too small. So what happens, there is not enough space for the content of that baking dish to expand and cook. So what tends to happen, it goes up and results in some cracking. So you just want to be mindful of that. Drop your heat or use a larger bread pan or baking dish. So it's time to cut it now. Just going to be slicing it. And you can see the yellow color from the mangoes, right? So it's a nice bread, nice texture, consistency there. And this is what the finished product looks like. Love that color on it. And the slices. Now you can actually make the spiced mango muffins with this as well. Just add them to cupcake liners in a cupcake tray and pop them into the oven 350 for about 20 minutes or so. Check on it. Hope you guys enjoyed that video, spiced mango bread. Try it out. Very similar to the banana nut bread, banana nut muffins. I'll post the links for them down below so you can check those out as well. This is one of those recipes that you can have fun with. Remember, add more mango if you want more of that prominent mango flavor in it. Add more spices, just have fun with it, but try this. So thanks for watching guys, and I'll see you on my next video.